everyone! Finally, Huawei has released the EMUI 12 major software update for Huawei Nova 5T users. The smartphone has a large number of shipped units across the globe, therefore, the EMUI 12 update expansion may take some time to cover all Nova 5T smartphones. In the current development, stable EMUI 12 update rollout for Huawei Nova 5T is spotted in Europe. According to information, Huawei Nova 5T users receive EMUI 12 version 12.0.0.132 that weighs around 783 MB. To be mentioned, Huawei Nova 5T phone's initial EMUI 12 update rollout was started in Middle East region. Since then, it is reaching to other regions. If you are a Huawei Nova 5T users and eager to receive the latest major update, then keep your eye on the update section. According to changelog, Huawei Nova 5T EMUI 12 update brings refreshed user interface, better fonts, new animation, large folder, improved notification and control panel, device plus and more. For more information, you can check the complete changelog on the screen. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.